Hey everyone, Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2026 Nautique GS24. Got the beautiful mystic white exterior that really complements the Sahara sand interior color. The all-new strapless board racks here. So make our way to the swim platform. This has the underwater lighting and upgraded steer assist. PCM ZZ6 450, so a lot of power when you're out there with your friends and family. Seating on either side, great place to hang out when you're getting ready to hop in the water, or if you're at anchor. Center walk-through into the boat, so you're not stepping on any upholstery. Storage underneath all the seats. This is a 24-foot boat. You have a lot of room to move about, and it's rated for 17 passengers. Cup holders, lighting package. We do have our bench that folds out as well. Tower speakers. We have our awareness camera up there. Bimini top and boot with board racks and surf pockets. Ergonomically really sound recessed glove box. Up here at the helm, we do have our hotkeys, race car inspired seat, LINC Panoray screen, check your engine vitals. You can do all your ballast control, lighting packages, and navigation. This is a 2026 Nautique GS24 located here at our store in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by.